Uh-huh. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. Don't get in front of me.
Why are you going to take a picture of me and the daisies?
Hang on a second. I'm videotaping right at the moment. Look at how pretty. Haha. That's cool. Stop.
And?
I'm not taking a picture. I'm videotaping.
You're videotaping?
See? So everybody can just go on our walk with us.
Nobody there walking.
Huh?
There's
No,
nobody there
because we're
walking.
behind the camera. But
Yeah,
it
be
sure is
careful
pretty.
on these trails with these all the people. They just come riding by you about 20 miles an hour.
Yep. Beautiful though. Navigation area. Please stay on trail. All right then. I think that tree got a little bent from the snow. What do you think?